Welcome to Rishikesh. A land where spirituality, serenity, and adventure live in harmony. A land that welcomes diverse people from all around the world. Yogis, musicians, travelers, and adrenaline junkies to come find their inner selves. We welcome you to the gateway of the Himalayas. We are taking you on a journey to explore the yoga capital of the world, Rishikesh. Walk through unexplored valleys, riverbanks, and mountain tops with Anil and practice yoga in the most scenic locations. Join this program designed to build stamina and strengthen muscles through yoga. This is Yoga and Nature.